Are you safe from AI? This question is not a far-off whisper from a distant future. It is a clear and present echo in the hallways of our modern world. Today is year 2026, and the clock is ticking faster than most people realize. Artificial intelligence is not just getting smarter, it is getting more capable, more integrated, and more autonomous with each passing day. By the year 2030, the landscape of work as we know it could be fundamentally redrawn. Many jobs built on repetition and predictable patterns stand on the precipice of change. Some roles will transform, but others could face obsolescence, swept away by the efficient tide of automation. This piece is not fear, it is awareness and action. A clear-eyed guide. 10 jobs highly susceptible to AI within the next 4 years. For each job, one reason AI takes over, and one practical tip to pivot and thrive. You must absorb it quickly. Think deeply. Act decisively. The future does not wait. AI excels at clear rules and patterns. It can read, write, sort, analyze, and predict at superhuman scale. First on our list is the data entry clerk, a backbone of information management, but profoundly repetitive and rules-based. AI with OCR scans, reads, and inputs thousands of documents with near-perfect accuracy. The reason? Unparalleled efficiency in structured processing. It reads print, interprets handwriting, sorts into correct fields, and flags inconsistencies. Economically irresistible. Tip: climb the data ladder. Manage, analyze, and interpret data. Learn RPA, basic analysis, and database skills to become a data steward or junior analyst. Next, the telemarketer. Scripted, high-volume calls meet public pushback and tech advances. AI voice bots deliver scripts consistently and at scale. They call simultaneously, never tire, and log everything for analysis. Core vulnerability, scripted interactions. Survive by specializing in relationship-driven sales. Focus on complex negotiation, strategic accounts, and long-term relationships. Third, the proofreader for simple, formulaic text. Detail-oriented, but for standard content, AI shines. Modern language models trained on massive corpora spot errors at scale. They analyze structure, check clarity, assess tone, and ensure consistency. For high-volume standard content, AI is a time saver. Tip: elevate to developmental editing. Shape narrative, improve flow, verify facts, refine voice. Fourth, the basic bookkeeping clerk. Precision and routine, prime for AI automation. Software scans receipts, matches bank feeds, generates reports. Core driver, automated classification, reconciliation, anomaly detection. Pathway, move into analysis, forecasting, budgeting, and strategic advisory. Shift from record keeper to trusted financial advisor. Fifth, the travel agent for standard bookings. The internet changed access, AI finished the job. AI compares prices, routes, reviews, and preferences in seconds. It curates to budget and schedule. Tip: become an experience curator. Luxury, complex, bespoke. From culinary journeys to historical treks, offer access AI cannot. Sixth, warehouse picker. Standardized steps invite mobile robotics. AI choreographs robot fleets and optimal routes. Routes calculated, inventory managed in real time. Transition from labor to machine ops, operate, maintain, troubleshoot, move into QA, exceptions, planning. Higher-level logistics planning and system management is the upskill path. Seventh, the basic radiology image reader. A pattern recognition heavy task. Tumors, fractures, anomalies. Computer vision trained on millions of scans flags concerns at superhuman speed. AI excels at narrow pattern recognition and tireless screening. Tip: lean into complex interpretation and collaborative treatment planning. Communicate with empathy and lead ethical AI oversight. Eighth, the legal document reviewer for routine contracts. NLP scans massive volumes quickly, extracting clauses, dates, names, and potential risks. Path forward: move from review to strategy and judgment. Craft novel arguments, negotiate complex deals, provide high-level counsel. Let AI handle research while you focus on persuasion, strategy, and advocacy. Ninth, entry-level, manual software tester. Repetitive scripts compare expected versus actual, ideal for automation. AI executes rapid, exhaustive, automated test suites. Thousands of interactions across devices and scenarios. ML explores flows and uncovers edge cases. Tip: become the automation architect. Design strategies and write tests. Specialize in performance testing, security, and DevOps. 10th, assembly line worker handling predictable tasks. Repetitions now meet flexible, sensor-aware robotics. New systems, more capable, more affordable. Precision, endurance, and 24/7 consistency. Tip: pursue human-robot collaboration. Become a robot tech coordinator or QA specialist. Your strategy for staying essential. These 10 jobs share repetition and predictability. Anything logical and repeatable is a target for AI. Most secure roles lean into creativity, strategy, emotional intelligence, and ethics. Few jobs are safe. Many will evolve with AI collaboration. Professional security is a 3-lane highway. Start driving now. 1. Technological literacy. Use AI as a force multiplier. 2. Cultivate soft skills. Communicate, collaborate, lead with empathy. 3. Continuous upskilling. Seek emerging roles and credentials. Start small. Learn one new skill this month. Read. Talk to a mentor. Begin a project. Automate the tedious. The question isn't if AI is coming, it's how you'll redefine your role. The future is a tool for those who learn to wield it. Act now and make yourself more essential, not less. What are your thoughts? Was your job on this list? And what are you doing to prepare? Share your story in the comments below. Let's start a real conversation and help each other win in this new world. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more on how to dominate the future of work.